Hello viewers, welcome from my YouTube channel Orape. Today I will show you how to upload data from external file into database using Toads. We will upload data from a text file into the table. I have already created a text file with some test data. I will show you how to upload this data into table using Toads. I have already created a table named EMP data upload. I will upload the text file data into this table. Before uploading, I we check where is the data in this table. No rows data. This is an empty table. In this table, I will upload this text file data. This is there is 10 rows that I will upload into this table. To upload this table, we have to follow this process. Click on the database, then import table data. Select destination. Schema is HR. Object type is tables. Object name. Here the table name. Then click show data. There is no data found. Then click next. Uh, Select source. Here is the source file browser. This is the data file. And import from DBase file, text file, Excel file, access database, like Windows clipboard. I select my text file so that my file is a comma separated file, text file. Click next. Specify text file details and delimiter. Uh, though my file is comma separated, so I select here comma and the left as it is. Next, next, next. Yeah, this is the preview result. MP ID, EMP name, mobile, date of birth. Next, specify import mode. Output apply changes to dataset object. You can choose the create file with this SQL statement. If you choose that, then a here you can select the insert statement file. Otherwise, you choose default option. Execute. Yeah, 10 rows added. Close. Yeah, and this is the uploaded data shown here. Uh, Again, the process repeat. We go back. Go to editor and run the select statement. Yeah, data is uploaded. From it. Which app from SQL Plus? Yeah, 10 rows selected. That's means successfully uploaded data using Toad from external file. That's all.